Hello, everybody. Welcome to Game Fest 24. You ready to see some games? And this is a showcase of ours live from the Udio Theater here in LA. Everyone around the world is. Let's also face it, this has been a closure which have disappointed all of us. But smaller teams and new creators are finding incredible success. Two of them are considered, big companies. It's a reminder that they have to treat their developers as. Over the next 2 hours, we'll have big ass on stage like Star Wars and Harry Man, and also smaller titles, including a few games made by single individuals. So when you see a game that send it to a friend and get them. And we are devs. It all begins right now. Here's our
next.
Hey, look, this is a hot guy auditioning for the
Hey, neat cop. I gotta get me one of those. I'm here with you today to get straight.
As young, we've all wondered, do I have what it takes to be the next
in Cuff Bust?
There's going to be a peak show.
I long to be worthless.
You deserve to be thrown away. You must curse
yourself, my friends.
The #1 gaming monitor brand in the U.S., Sam, just released new game entertainment. Scan the QR code now to get up to 300. The #1.
And I drink right out of the chicken. I am butt naked.
Get out of the
Chicken.
Tell me about yourself.
I think I'm butt naked.
study us.
Next up, we've got a big and O.
Thanks, Jeff. Hey, everyone. Since 2020, we have been
Big and O
is coming to PlayStation X this year.
Thanks, guys. Hey, everyone. One of my favorite things about
Big and O
has been seeing the community for the last 4 years. We have been in China.